thanks for checking out Brews with Brena, the show where I review craft beer and style my hair super cute and easy, I might add. If you're curious how I got this look, then please keep watching. The beer that we're trying out today is called Rainy Days, and it's from a microbrewery, Interlake Brewing Co. Honestly, I bought this beer because I grew up in the Interlake, and also the name, Rainy Days, reminds me of my Instagram name, @StyleDays. It was speaking to me. I'm from the Interlake. I've never heard of this one before. This beer has, I'm pretty sure that's a dock and gimli on it, which is really cool. Yeah. So the flavor notes on this one, Earl Grey tea with citrus hops. I'm excited. I think it'll be light, easy to drink, just like the last one I tried that was tea. Thanks. Oh my gosh. A little hoppy, but nothing you can't handle. It adds like a little texture to the flavor. First sip, happy. So this is the inspo I'm going for. It'll be a little hard because I have these curtain bangs. Let's try it out, buddy. First step, I'm going to curl my hair. You could curl it any way you want. It really doesn't matter. If you want to flat iron it for it, that's fine. If you just want to bevel the ends in, that's cool too. Whatever you do though, use heat protected prior. I want my curls to be a little bouncy and pretty big. I'm going to take large sections. I'm curling all my curls away from my face because I want that uniform, soft look. Big old section right here, dog. Anyways. And if you have soft hair, use hairspray before you curl. So Interlake Brewing Co. just released beers in September. They're coming out with a microbrewery in Gimli next year, so that's gonna be super fun. And with a rooftop patio. Doesn't that sound sick? Overlooking the beautiful lake. Wonder how many zebra mussels you could see from that roof. So if you're not sure if you like hops and want to try it, this might be a good option for you because you could taste the hops, but it's not like in your face, you know what I'm saying? So now we're going to take our sectioning for those front smooth pieces. So you want to kind of take your section, just use the tip of your finger. I guess that's like 2 inches or something for me. You can always play around and see what you like. So I'm going to start here and I'm going to go down to the tip of my ear. So I have all this hair here. I feel like mine's a little too far back, so I'm gonna take a little out of it. Just like this, I think. Have a sip of beer because you deserve it, girl. Cheers. So to make sure they're even, put your hair forward, look at your part, just go across all the way down. This is what it should look like. Now I'm gonna use a bunch of hairspray all over this section. This company, Interlake Brewing Co., is Métis owned, which is super cool, which means they're of Indigenous descent. And I just love that they point that out and recognize it on their page. So have Indigenous pride, I love it. If your hair feels soft at all, keep hairspraying. Now I'm gonna use a little bit of mousse. Ooh, that's actually a lot of bit of mousse. I'm gonna kind of run it through and get right up there in the root as well. This part needs to be flat, so product is gonna help you to achieve the look. So these long pieces here, what's gonna happen is we're gonna brush them behind the ear. I'm actually gonna use a little comb to kind of shape it. See, and I'm freaking gripping that tight, bud. And if you don't have curtain bangs, it'll be easier. Okay folks, take your little elastic and secure both sides as tight as you can at the base of your hairline here, right here. And remember, do it tight. And I would suggest even using 2 little elastics back here for a stronger hold. Oh, now that's taut, baby. I'm super impressed with how this feels. It feels great considering I have these bangs in there. I want to add a little bit of volume in the crown, so I'll show you guys how to backcomb. So this beer is also 5.5%. I'm not seeing how many IBU is on there, which would be great. So I'm going to take this top section like that, guys. Can you see? Don't have to be perfect. We're just doing a little light backcombing. I'm kind of doing a C shape like this. Flick that wrist, girl. Flick that wrist. You know what's up, girl. Take another section right below it, about 1 inch wide. But again, don't have to be perfect. And you can go a little further back if you want. I don't want to. I just want a little fluff at the top there. And I'm gonna hold my hair and take the edge of my brush. Remember, we're not digging in like this. We're just taking the edge lightly. beautiful. And remember, if you want the backcombing to hold, spray a little hairspray at the root before you backcomb. So I'm using Way Memory Mist. It's just like a nice shine, light hold hairspray. And I'm spraying it over my smoothing brush. You can use whatever brush you want, but this is just gonna add a little bit of shine and class to the style. Oh my gosh, see, look at that, dang. So if you have bangs like me, take your section that's being a little, pin it behind the ear. Hold it as tight as possible. Give it a good pin back there. Do a crisscross, use 2 bobby pins and crisscross behind the ear, right like that, okay? When they crisscross, they lock onto each other and they won't slip out as easy. Or spray them with hairspray beforehand. Ooh, see how taut that is? Damn. I'm gonna brush out the other side. This is how you get that rich, I had a glam team come and do my hair look, you know what I mean? I'm so obsessed with this look, I love it. So yeah, I definitely say this beer is perfect for someone who wants to try hops and try it on the hop train, see if you like it. So I have this, it's a mascara wand. I just washed it super thoroughly so there's no black on it anymore. Grab a little bit of mousse. You can use pomade, hairspray, whatever. I'm choosing mousse today. I'm in a mousse mood. Mousse mood. And I'm just rubbing it over these front sections. And I'm just gonna take this little mascara wand and brush any flyaways down. And this is gonna add shine and smooth it out even more. Smooth out any little flyaways. And this is what takes it to that glam team look. You know what I mean? By glam team, like a professional did it. And smooth it out again. Oh, see, now it's so shiny. Product's gonna make it super shine. Super, super shine, folks. So my final review of the beer, would I buy Rainy Days again? Yeah, I'd buy Rainy Days again. Not only because it's from Interlake Brewing Co. and I'm from the Interlake, but this beer is genuinely awesome. Also, let me know what you think of this style in the comments below. I'm so obsessed. Thank you for checking out this week's episode. If you have questions on this hairstyle or the beer that we reviewed today, then drop them in the comment box below. And don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you next week. Bye.